वकील वरुण सिन्हा कहते हैं आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच, जिसकी हेडिंग चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया है, नए प्रेसिडेंशियल रेफरेंस पर आर्टिकल 143 के तहत अपनी राय दी है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने यह नतीजा निकाला है कि भारत के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल 200 और 201 के तहत मिली पावर की एक डिक्शनरी पावर है और गवर्नर किसी बल पर फैसला लेने में काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स की सलाह मानने के लिए मजबूर नहीं है।
And the powers of the Honorable Governor and the President under Article 200 and 201 has been well defined by the Supreme Court, and finally the Honorable Supreme Court has concluded that the power under Article 200 and 201 of the Constitution of India is a discretionary power, and the Governor is not bound by the advice of the Council of Ministers in the matter of taking decision on a bill. Similarly, the Honorable Supreme Court has also opined that the courts cannot interfere in a decision-making process of the governor while considering a bill. Therefore, the Honorable Supreme Court had said that the interference, the power of the governor and the president in the constitution while considering a bill is not justiciable. They have further opined that the limited jurisdiction can be exercised by the Supreme Court or the High Court by granting mandamus only when a situation arises that the governor is not acting or discharging its constitutional duty as prescribed under Article 200 and 201. Therefore, to exercise the power, the limited direction of mandamus can be issued, but no discussion on merits of the bill or merits of the matter. So the Supreme Court's opinion is very clear today, and they have said that the governor has got powers, three powers, either to assent the bill or to reserve the bill or to withhold the bill and send it back to the legislature for reconsideration. Thereafter, this can be given assent by the governor. But the justiciable factor, because we have seen in the state of Tamil Nadu, this court had given direction to the governor and the president to give consent, otherwise the bill will be deemed to be a law. That has been deprecated by the opinion of the Honorable Supreme Court.